What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to create multi-boot USB drive. The multi-boot USB drive will contain multiple bootable ISO files. So for example, it can contain multiple flavors of Linux, Windows installer, antivirus utility, disk cloning, penetration testing software, diagnostic tools, and much more. So here's what we need to do. We need to open our internet browser and we need to go to this website. And I will put link in the description below. Then we need to scroll down and we need to choose which version we're going to use. So if you're going to be using on older computers, then you probably want to download Legacy. If you're going to be using on newer systems, then you probably want to download UEFI. For this video tutorial, I'm just going to be using Legacy. And we will download UMI Multi-Boot USB. And then right here, just click Save File. Once the file is downloaded, what we need to do, we need to insert our flash drive into our computer and then navigate to your download folder. And then in your download folder, double click on UMI. And right here, if you're going to get this message, you can click on more info and then run anyways. And then click yes on here. And in here, just click on agree. And in here, we need to choose our USB device. I'm just going to choose this one. And if you're going to be installing a lot of distros and different systems, I would recommend using bigger flash drive. And for example, if your flash drive is formatted to something else other than FAT32 or NTFS, you will get this error message. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to click OK. And I'm going to go back to this PC. And right here, I'm going to right click on my flash drive. And then I'm going to click on Format. And in here, I'm just going to choose NTFS. And I'm going to leave everything as default. I'm going to click Start and I'm going to press OK. Once the format is complete, just click OK and then you can close and then go back to your UMI and then choose your flash drive again. And then right here, we need to select what distribution we're going to put on our flash drive. And right here, you're going to be able to find Ubuntu, Linux Mint, Debian, CentOS, Fedora, and many other flavors of Linux. And besides Linux, you can also find a lot of other distros such as Android, Alpine Linux, and other ones. Raspberry Pi desktop, and also contain Tails. And then there's a bunch of antivirus tools as well. And then system tools, and then Hiron boot disk as well. And also it has Windows installations as well. So what I'm going to do, for example, I'm going to download we'll say Ubuntu. So once you choose the Ubuntu, what you need to do, you need to click on Visit Ubuntu homepage. Or you can click on just download link and then press yes here. And it's going to take you to the download page. And right here, just click on download. And download Ubuntu. I'm just going to press OK. And now I'm going to go back. While it's downloading, what I'm going to do, I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to also choose Hiron boot disk. By some reason, it's not providing me Hiron boot disk download link. Let me choose something else. I'm going to choose one of the antivirus tools. I'm going to use Kaspersky Rescue Disk. Visit Kaspersky homepage. And then right here, same thing. I'm going to click on download and I'm going to save this ISO. And then again, I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to actually choose Ultimate Boot CD. And I'm going to click on visit the Ultimate Boot CD homepage. And in here, I'm just going to click on download Ultimate Boot CD. And in here, I'm just going to scroll down. And I'm going to click on one of the mirror sites. And I'm just going to save this file as well. So it's already downloaded Ubuntu and Kaspersky. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back here. And in here, I'm going to go up to the top. And I'm going to choose Ubuntu. And then I'm going to click on Browse. And in here, I'm just going to navigate to Downloads. And then I'm going to choose Ubuntu. I'm going to click Open. And then I'm going to click on Create. And in here, just press yes. And now we just have to wait until it's going to create Ubuntu on multi-boot flash drive. Okay, once this process is done, we need to click on next. And then right here, it's asking if we would like to add more ISOs distros now. I'm going to click yes. And then same thing, I'm going to choose this multi-boot. And in here, since I downloaded Kaspersky antivirus, I'm going to choose that right now. And then in here, it already knows where is that. So I'm just going to click on create. And then next again once it's done, and then one more time yes, because I'm going to be putting 3 images. I'm going to select the boot drive, and then I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to use, this time I'm going to add ultimate boot disk, and then I'll just have to click on browse, and right here in downloads, and I'm going to click on open and then create. Once this is complete, click next, and right here click no, and then click finish. Then go to your file explorer, right click on multi-boot, and then eject. Now plug in your flash drive into your computer, and then start your computer and press F12 to boot into the boot menu. Your computer could be something else. Once you see this, choose USB storage device and press enter. And right here, you can see that we boot into the multi-boot USB. And right here, we have a couple options. We have Linux distro, antivirus tool, and system tools. So for example, if we choose system tools, right here, you can see this is ultimate boot disk. And then we can go back to menu. And right here, we can choose antivirus tools. Right here, you can see this is Kaspersky, the one I loaded before. And then we can go back. And in here, Linux. And if you press on enter, you can see we have Ubuntu loaded. And then you can go back. And you can load as many as you want ISOs on this multi-boot USB as long as you have enough space. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.